Introduction to the dental office and basic chairside assisting. Dental office design. The office may be small with 2 or 3 treatment rooms, or it may have clinic settings with any number of treatment rooms. Most offices are designed with a reception area, business area, treatment rooms, sterilizing area, laboratory, X-ray processing room, restroom, and dentist office. Reception room, area that the patient initially enters, gives first impression of the office. Room needs to be pleasing, comfortable, neat and clean. Dental staff should tidy the room regularly, straighten magazines and make sure they current, patient education materials, area for children to play, decorated to keep atmosphere friendly and positive. Reception desk and business office, part of or adjacent to reception room. Appointments are made here, telephone calls received, patient records updated and stored. Sterilizing area, near TX rooms, neat and clean all the time, good air circulation, protect from chemical fumes and exhaled from sterilizers. OSHA has specific requirements for this area. Instruments, trays, and so on flow from dirty to clean areas to minimize cross-contamination. In the area, we have sink, counter space, sharp containers, hazardous waste, ultrasonic equipment, handpiece cleaner, lubricating, machine sterilizing equipment, storage. Dental office laboratory separate area that is also well vented. Amount of lab work done depends on dentist preference. Used for finishing or adjusting crowns, bridges, partial dentures, pouring impressions, trimming models, polishing removable prosthetics, making custom trays. May contain vibrator, model trimmer, lab handpiece, vacuum former, sink, exhaust fan, plaster and stone storage bins, heat source, dental lead, and storage. Radiography room. In most office, radiograph machines are in the HTX room for intraoral X-rays. White wings, PA, FMX, etc. Extraoral radiographic equipment is in the radiography room, provides occupational safety from ionizing radiation and be large enough to house this equipment. Guidelines come from State Health Department and periodic inspection may be required by state agency. Consult room area, where dentists can sit down with patients and discuss the treatment plan and financial arrangement. This room has chairs, table, computer, X-ray V-box, possible models, anything to assist the dentist in explaining the TX to the patient. Optional rooms may be dentist private office, staff lounge, patient education area. Treatment rooms and dental equipment. Operatory dental treatment rooms are also called operatories. Each dentist usually has a minimum of 3 treatment rooms operatories. The TX rooms in general practice are usually designed operative or hygiene and are equipped accordingly. Contains dental chair, dental unit, operating tools, cabinets, sinks, X-ray machine, V-box computer screen, mobile cards. Dental chair, center of all clinic activity, designed for the operator and the assistant to provide patient TX comfortably and efficiently. Supports patient entire body in either an upright spine position or subspine position. Upright. Back of chairs is in a 90-degree angle. Supine. Reclined position with the nose and knees on the same plane. Subsupine. Reclined position with the head lower than the feet. Dental chair. Designed to accommodate children and adults. Narrow head rest to allow dentist or assistant to be close to the patient's head. Arms rest that lift or move out of the way. Controls that move the chair up and down as well as recline, either on the sides of the chair, the floor, or unit. There is a lever on the back of the chair that unlocks it so it can be rotated left or right. Be sure to relock if using this feature. Dental unit can be fixed to the wall, cabinets, or on a mobile cart, positioned according to the preference of the dentist, whether they are left or right-handed, whether they work with assistants or according to the design of the TX room. Three basic models of delivery: rear delivery system, side delivery system, and front delivery system. Rear delivery system, side delivery system, front delivery system. Air-water syringe provides air, water, or combination spray of air and water. Three-way syringe. Tips of the syringe is removable, made from disposable plastic or autoclavable metal. Uses reusable metal, don't throw away. Controls are on the thumb side. Dental tools required by the operator and the assistant for most procedures. Ergonomic studies have resulted in the improved design of stools to provide comfort and prevent fatigue during dental procedures. Adjustable height, adjustable backrest, extend arm, comfortable seat, mobility, broad base, footrest easy to adjust. Dental stools, the assistant is positioned 4 or 5 higher than the dentist, feet resting on foot ring and think parallel to the floor. Extended arms is for support of the abdomen and side areas. Moves easily into place and locks to stabilize the assistant when reaching or leaning. 5 casters are usually recommended to provide stability. Broad base to prevent tipping. Can be quickly and easily adjusted. Operating light. Attached to dental chair or mounted to the ceiling, operator and dentist should be able to adjust the position of the light. Has a switch for high and low intensities and off switch. Handles on both sides. Handles and switch are covered with barrier during procedures and changed between patients. Keep the shelf clean. Wait until it cools to cabinetry. Storage of supplies and materials used during TX. Units include cupboards that open from front and back for TX trays, drawers for materials frequently used, sinks for the operator and assistants. Sink. Some rooms have 2 sinks, one on each side of the dental chair. Some have one sink centrally behind the dental unit. Water controls should be operated by wrist, foot, or knee controls. Prevent it from being contaminated. There are also light and motion sensor devices that turn the water on and off automatically when standing in front of sink. Swell equipment found in the TX room. X-ray view box used to read traditional radiograph, bright light source covered with frosted surface. Dental curing light using to cure or set light cured materials, various types of to choose from.